Hey, what's up, folks? If you're looking for the best beginner 3D printers, you've landed in the perfect spot. We've done the research to bring you the best beginner 3D printer options, considering price, performance, and usage scenarios. Stick around to discover which beginner 3D printer is the best fit for you. You can find all the product links with the best deals in the description box below. Our list is in no particular order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. Let's dive right in and get started. The first one on our list is the Creality K1C, which is a great option if you're a beginner but want something fast and reliable. What I really appreciate about this is its high speed, which is up to 600 millimeters per second, which makes it about 12 times faster than most regular 3D printers. And with its Core XY system, it keeps your print quality sharp, even at high speeds, making it ideal for getting quick, high-quality results. A big plus with the K1C is its clog-free direct extruder. Jams are frustrating in 3D printing, but this extruder has extra support, like a spring and ball mechanism, so it won't loosen or clog easily. It also uses a special nozzle made of steel-tipped copper and titanium alloy, which works well with various materials, including carbon fiber filaments, adding versatility. Also, setting up this printer is super simple. The auto-calibration leveling feature means you can get started with just one tap. No need for any manual adjustments. Plus, the balanced printhead fans help keep everything steady, so you won't have to worry about those little imperfections in your prints. This printer also features a smart AI camera for monitoring your print job and alerts you if issues arise. It's built to handle durable, high-temp materials like PLA-CF, while an air purifier reduces odors and particles. Plus, with a quiet mode at just 45 decibels, it's easy on the ears. In my opinion, while the K1C is pricier than basic models, its speed, easy setup, and durability make it a smart choice for beginners who want to dive deeper into 3D printing. Second on our list is Elegoo Mars 5 Ultra. It's built with beginners in mind but has some impressive features that make printing easier and more fun. This printer has a 7-inch mono LCD with a super sharp 9K resolution. This means it can catch even the tiniest details, so your designs come out just the way you pictured them. One of the best parts is the speed. This printer can work at 150 millimeters per hour, which is fast for resin printing. It also has a special tilt release feature that helps your prints come off smoothly, so you don't end up with any rough edges. Plus, you can switch between faster or slower modes depending on what you're making, which is great for flexibility. The Mars 5 Ultra also has an AI camera, which acts like a helper, checking for any issues during printing. If something's wrong, like a model not sticking right, it alerts you instantly. This can save you from a lot of mistakes and wasted time. Additionally, it has a sensor that detects leftover resin, keeping the LCD screen safe. You'll get alerts if you're low on resin or if there's a leveling issue, so you don't have to worry about monitoring constantly. And with Wi-Fi cluster printing, you can control multiple printers at once, and the automatic leveling means setup is as easy as plugging it in. In my opinion, this printer is fantastic for beginners. It doesn't have a built-in heater, but with its 9K screen and simple setup, it's a great option to get started with 3D printing. Next, we've got the Anycubic Cobra 3 Combo, a fantastic 3D printer if you're just starting out. What really makes it special is that it lets you print in multiple colors, which is pretty rare in beginner-friendly models, and really opens up a lot of creative options. Right now, it can handle up to 4 colors in one project, and soon, Anycubic will release an update to support up to 8 colors. So, if you want to make your design stand out with more personality, this feature is perfect. Another thing I like is the Intelligent Filament Storage System. It's not just for storage. It keeps the filament dry to prevent clogs, automatically refills when needed, and even has a sensor that alerts you to clogs. There's also an RFID sync function that keeps everything in sync, so your print job isn't interrupted. This setup makes the printer really easy to manage, especially if you're new to 3D printing. This printer is also super fast. It can print at a speed of 600 millimeters per second, which is much quicker than most standard printers. It also has vibration compensation technology with G sensors. These sensors detect and adjust for any vibrations, which means your prints come out smoother and more detailed. Plus, it offers Pantone color filaments, which lets you bring your projects to life with high-quality, vibrant colors. While it doesn't come with an extra filament tray, which might be an inconvenience for some, you still get fast, high-quality prints with amazing color options, perfect for creative projects. On number 4, we have the Flash Forge. If you're new to 3D printing and want something easy but packed with good features, this is a solid choice. One of the things I appreciate about this printer is its fully automatic leveling system. No tricky adjustments. You simply press a button and it takes care of the leveling for you. This feature helps your prints start strong and smooth. Another cool thing is the speed. This printer can go up to 600 millimeters per second. Basically, it's designed to be fast without wobbling or losing accuracy. So if you want quicker prints without sacrificing quality, this printer handles it well. And the quick nozzle swap is another nice touch. You can change the nozzle in just 3 seconds, which keeps everything moving smoothly. Plus, it heats up to 200 degrees Celsius in about 35 seconds, so you don't need to wait long to start your next print. The dual-sided platform also makes it easy to pop off your prints, which is super helpful when you're trying different surfaces. This printer even has a dual fan and vibration compensation system to keep prints neat and detailed. And with options for different nozzle sizes, you can try out fine details or speed things up, depending on what you're making. And, yes, you can control it with the Flashmaker app, which lets you monitor prints from your phone. It's handy if you want to check on progress without being right next to the printer. I personally think this printer covers everything a beginner needs. Although the app could be a bit smoother, it's reliable, fast, and easy to use. Next up, we have the Sovol SV08. This one's perfect if you're into DIY projects and want a printer that's fast and gives you great quality prints. What's cool about this model is that it's based on the open-source Voron 2.4 design, so you can tweak and customize it however you like. Plus, it prints at an impressive 700 millimeters per second, so you're getting speed without losing any detail. The SV08 uses a Core XY system, which just means it moves more efficiently. This lets it print faster and with more control, helping you avoid those annoying mistakes in your prints. The print area is pretty spacious too, so there's room for bigger, detailed projects. And because it's open source, it works with Orca Slicer, which gives you special features like variable line widths, cooling adjustments, and better path planning for smoother prints. One feature I think really stands out is the quad gantry auto leveling. With 4 independent motors on the Z-axis, this printer automatically levels itself. That means you don't have to worry about adjusting the bed manually, and your first layer will stick perfectly each time. There's also a sensor that helps with this, making setup easy and reducing print failures. Moreover, it runs on Clipper firmware, which is great for controlling speed and accuracy. It reduces vibrations and keeps everything smooth, so your prints come out looking just right. What I really like about the SV08 is how it combines speed and customization options. However, the touchscreen is a bit basic, but overall, the performance and flexibility make it an excellent choice if you want reliable, quality 3D printing. Last but not least, we have the Bambu Lab A1 Combo. If you're new to 3D printing, this one's a great pick. It's easy to use, fast, and even lets you print in multiple colors, which really brings your designs to life. One thing that makes this printer ideal for beginners is its full auto calibration. Basically, it does all the setup work for you. Things like leveling the print bed and adjusting settings, so you don't have to handle it yourself. That means your prints come out looking great every time, without any fuss. The A1 Combo also has a feature called Active Flow Rate Compensation. This helps keep your prints smooth by adjusting the flow of material as it's printing. It's like a safety net to make sure you don't end up with rough edges or uneven layers. Then there's the multicolor printing, which is a big plus.